Unplugging to connect. The off-the-grid meetup explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that blends modern life with the desire to disconnect. Off-the-grid meetups. In our fast-paced, technology-driven world, the concept of going off the grid is becoming increasingly popular, but what does it mean when applied to meetups? Let's explore this together and understand why people are choosing to connect in this unique way. First things first, let's break down what we mean by off the grid. Traditionally, this term refers to living without reliance on public utilities, like electricity and water, often emphasizing a self-sufficient lifestyle. However, in a broader sense, going off the grid has come to mean disconnecting from the digital world and social media, aiming for a simpler, more present way of life. An off-the-grid meetup takes this concept of disconnection and applies it to social gatherings. These are events where participants agree to unplug from their digital devices and online personas to engage in real-world activities. The idea is to foster genuine connections, free from the distractions and often superficial interactions facilitated by screens. You might wonder, why go off the grid for a meetup? The reasons vary, but they often include the desire to build deeper, more meaningful relationships, the need for a break from the constant digital noise, and the chance to engage in activities that require full attention and presence. It's a way to rediscover the joy of in-person conversation, nature, and the world around us without the filter of technology. Organizing an off-the-grid meetup can be both exciting and challenging. Here are some steps to consider. 1. Choose an activity or location that encourages interaction and doesn't rely on technology. This could be a hike, a picnic, a group art project, or anything that brings people together in a meaningful way. 2. Communicate the off-the-grid concept clearly when inviting participants. Make sure everyone understands the purpose and is willing to commit to disconnecting for the duration of the meetup. 3. Plan for safety. Since you'll be disconnected, ensure you have a way to handle emergencies. A good practice is having a designated, possibly off-site, contact who can be reached by a single, shared emergency device if needed. Off-the-grid meetups are a beautiful way to reconnect with ourselves, others, and the world around us. By stepping away from our screens and embracing the moment, we open ourselves up to experiences and connections that are often lost in the digital shuffle. We hope this video inspires you to consider unplugging and experiencing the rich, unfiltered life that awaits. Until next time, remember to take a moment to look up, reach out, and truly connect. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.